This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Barbara Levine. Rare single-family home in the Village of Powhatan. Shows like a model home. Fabulous, spacious, versatile, and one of the largest floor plans in the community. Master suite plus another bedroom/office on first floor. Kitchen features newer stainless steel appliances, and an abundance of cabinet and counter space. The kitchen has a large eat-in area and opens to great room with cathedral ceilings. Enjoy sitting in the sunroom with access from great room or master suite. The sunroom has access to patio. The patio can be extended on the left side, with HOA permission. Newer HVAC second floor. House feature whole house surge protector. Great amount of storage throughout. For more information, review the details below or contact Barbara Levine at 757-810-8624.